Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken tortilla soup. You will need 1 pound of chicken breast, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/3 cup of cilantro, 1 jalapeno pepper, the juice of 1 lime, 10 corn tortillas, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 14-ounce can of black beans, 1 14-ounce can of corn, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, vegetable oil for frying, and avocado to garnish. Add your oil to a frying pan, then using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now fry your tortilla in batches until they are crispy and golden. Remove them from the oil and set them aside. Now add your olive oil to your Dutch oven and using medium heat, bring your pot to temperature. Add the onions, jalapeno, and garlic and saute for 3 minutes. Add the chicken breast, then season with your salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now add the corn, black bean, cilantro, and lime juice. Now add the crushed tomatoes and beef broth, then season with the cumin and chili powder. Bring your liquid to a light simmer, cover, and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the chicken breast from the pot, then reduce your heat. Shred your chicken, then return the chicken to the pot. Cover and allow the soup to simmer for an additional 8 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab